We posted a reel and watched almost half the audience skip it in under a second. This is the retention graph. That cliff at second 3, that's where videos live or die. And here's how to hold it. Platforms don't even count a view until around second 3. Before that, you're on trial. The first frame, the first words, the first movement, and the numbers are brutal. On our own reel, a 43% skip rate. By second 3, almost everyone was gone. Average watch time, 5 seconds of a 31-second video. Nothing after the cliff gets seen. Not the tips, not the payoff, not the call to action. So we rebuilt the opening. 5 moves. 1. The payoff on frame 1, the finished dish, the final look, the answer. First, not last. 2. No logo, no intro, no welcome back. 3. One bold line that promises something specific. Dinner in 10 minutes beats watch till the end. 4. Captions from the first word. Over half of viewers watch muted. 5. Open a loop, the ending closes. A question the last shot answers. Same content, new opening. The graph holds past the gate, and when the first 3 seconds hold, the platform keeps showing it to new people. That's the whole game. Win second 1 to earn second 30. One honest playbook like this every week. Subscribe.